Hey there. Today it's day 31, and guess what that means? Tomorrow it's 1 month exactly since I left the Springer Mountain. And of course, I was this 1 week of the trail, but here I am. Still one night left here in the Smokies, and tomorrow I'm going to walk out of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. That's a long string of words. I thought I would introduce you my new drinking system that is, well, maybe not the state of the art, but this is it. As you know, I got sick and I suspected it was something in the water, so that's why I threw away my water bladder and my water filter and all that jazz in order not to get that possible virus again from them. So I bought, or actually my cousin bought me a new Sawyer filter, so I'm using the same system that I used to be using. This is just a new one, and she borrowed me this Nalgene bottle. It's actually some kind of scout bottle because she's a Boy Scouts leader. Uh, I call this bottle a pee bottle because alpine mountaineers use these wide mouth Nalgene bottles as pee bottles because you can use this to pee in your sleeping bag. So now I'm drinking from a pee bottle. Just to know I'm not peeing in it. It's water.